How to set up B2B wholesale channel in your Shopify Plus. I am going to show you how you can easily set up a B2B wholesale channel in your Shopify Plus store. Choose a Shopify app that specializes in wholesale features. Some popular options include Wholesale Club, Bold Custom Pricing, or Locksmith. Install the app and follow the setup instructions. Within the wholesale app, set up different customer groups for your wholesale buyers. You can categorize them based on their purchasing volume, loyalty, or any other criteria relevant to your business. Adjust your product prices for wholesale customers. Many wholesale apps allow you to set pricing, allow you to set specific pricing tiers for different customer groups. Configure the wholesale app to restrict access to wholesale prices and products. This ensures that only approved wholesale customers can view and purchase items at wholesale rates. Tailor the shopping experience for wholesale customers. This may involve customizing the checkout process, offering bulk ordering options, or providing personalized account management features. If necessary, integrate your Shopify Plus store with accounting software to streamline invoicing, tax calculations, and reporting for wholesale orders. Once everything is set up, promote your B2B wholesale channel to potential buyers. Consider reaching out to existing customers, attending trade shows, or advertising on industry-specific platforms to attract wholesale clients. Regularly monitor your wholesale channel's performance and gather feedback from customers. Use this information to make adjustments and optimize the wholesale experience for better results. Thanks for watching, leave a like, and subscribe.